Welcome, boys! Okay, this is going to be a really short video, and this is going to be a response to a Panzer Platforms comment reference the high beam circuit and the low beam circuit cannot be energized at the same time on our Panther cars. Now, I did a funny little short about a town car and them having two separate bulbs, and then he gave me the business for being a Neanderthal, my reading comprehension skills. But in my defense, I did go to public school. And we all know the only thing you learn in public school is communism good, capitalism bad, the world owes me something and gives me that for free. So now that we know what I know, we'll go ahead and show what happens on a Panther car that does have the dual filament bulbs. These are the 9007 halogens, and there is two filaments and one bulb, as opposed to the town car, which you saw in the short, that has a separate bulb for the high beams and low beams. So, here's what we're going to do. Now, because I'm doing this guerrilla warfare style, you boys aren't going to be able to see this, and it will blind you, but I have 3 pairs of sunglasses here now, and so we should be able to see through them into the filaments once this thing focuses. Alright, Katie, turn on the headlights only. Let me get it to where you boys can see just about right. Alright, so now you can see that is just the low beam filament. There's the one to our right. Now do the high beams only. You saw the right filament turn off, the left one turn on. Now turn the regular headlights back on. Now flash to pass. There we go, boys. When flashing to pass, both circuits are in fact energized. And why are we mentioning that? And that is because on the bulbs I currently have in there, the LEDs, even when you flash a pass, it does shut off the low beams and only the high beams. Which our boy Aaron mentioned that is being controlled by the circuit inside the LEDs. So there we go. Yes, you can energize both circuits at the same time with the halogens. It does not work on the LEDs. And there we go. So, thanks for watching, boys. Peace.